Businesses have asked a number of questions in relation to their obligations under health and safety legislation following the outbreak of the COVID-19 virus. The first question is, well, what are my legal duties? In summary, employers have a duty to take reasonable steps to ensure the health, safety and welfare of their employees. This includes providing a safe working environment by taking steps to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Employers are also under a duty to take reasonable steps to protect anyone else who might be placed at risk by their business activities. This might include, for example, members of the public or contractors. The second question we have is what approach and what steps should be taken. In terms of the approach, businesses will be familiar with conducting risk assessments, which may include diseases such as Legionella. The risk of COVID-19 is no different, and the same principles apply. The risk should be assessed, and appropriate control measures should be put in place to prevent the spread of the virus. In terms of practical control measures, the UK regulator, the HSE, is urging employers to follow the relevant government guidance. The guidance is evolving, and so businesses need to continue to monitor the situation at least on a daily basis. Employers should also encourage their employees to let them know of any particular circumstances which may place them at higher risk, so that appropriate adjustments can be made. The third question relates to home working, which has been encouraged by the government. Where home working is a viable option, there may be a tension between two competing risks. On the one hand, the risk of COVID-19, and on the other hand, the health risks of working at home, particularly with any display screen equipment like laptops. In light of the current guidance, it seems highly unlikely that businesses would be criticised for encouraging home working without the formal arrangements being in place. However, thinking ahead, given that this situation could last for potentially months, businesses should be giving consideration to providing employees with information to allow them to work from home without health issues. This could include, for example, instructions as to how to set up a laptop correctly at home to avoid muscular pain. Finally, we've been asked questions around RIDOR and whether or not cases of COVID-19 are reportable. In short, the answer is no, individual cases are not reportable under RIDOR. This is on the basis that it's virtually impossible to show that the individual has contracted the disease from exposure at their workplace. Thank you very much for listening. We would, of course, be happy to assist you with any queries you may have. Thank you.